What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video for South Georgia Land Management. I know it's been a couple weeks, but I have been sick and just super busy with work in real life. So, yeah. But anyway, so we're back today on this job. Today, well, this job rather, we are taking all these trees out and doing the dirt work as well. So, today is going to be primarily dirt work, get all this scraped up out of here, and get it out. And a couple of these trees we're going to have to top before we take down. So, I got a buddy that's a climber, and he's going to come out here and top them for me because I don't want to rent a boom lift. And then we're going to take the saw logs and take them to the mill, and the rest of it are probably just going to get either cut up or chipped. So let's get on it. It's about 7:30 this morning. Got the dump truck out here and the new skid steer. Got this one about a week ago. Really, really happy with it. So anyway, let's put her to work. This thing is an absolute beast. We had this one custom made for us. This was a special order from Case. Got the forestry package and the winch on the back. It will lift an absolute ton. And I'm really excited to load these logs with it. Hope all y'all are having a wonderful day today. Or night, whatever time you watch this video. Contractor that's doing this job, he's pretty cool. I'm not making a killing off of it, but we get a lot of work from him, so what do you do? Oh, hello. That one was a little heavy. Oh, well, we're good. I got the welder on that truck over there, so in case something were to break like crazy major, hopefully that doesn't happen. Let's take a scraping run here. We're gonna do the landscaping on this house as well, so plant the yard and all that good stuff. That reminds me, I've got to go bid a landscaping job in a neighborhood over here. Either today or tomorrow. There's a big neighborhood right over here across the tree line. Right over there that we're going to be doing a bunch of work in. Got the landscaping trailer over there to throw just, trash and debris or whatever in. one's heavy too. Dang. If we could get this halfway scraped out today, I'll be happy. That way we can get rolling on these trees. Of course, we're going to grind the stumps and stuff. Alright, and that is a load, so we're going to make a pile right here. So I can get that over there scraped out. And maybe get rolling on these trees. Maybe we can push a couple of them over. I got the backhoe here, so I think we'll have enough pushing power with it. The ones I can cut without topping anyway. Yeah, Case killed it with this skid steer. I really like it. I'm thinking about getting a ripper put on the back. But I do like the forestry package on it with the bumper back there. I think we can push a couple of these over with the backhoe. tree. Alright, let me move the skid steer and then I'll have to move the dump truck too. So gotta put the skid steer right here by the trailer. And nobody can steal the trailer. Move the dump truck. Dang. Okay. Get set up with the backhoe here. There we go. I think the backhoe will push it over right there. Perfect. Let's do this a different way. Close the boom back up. There we go. Let's try that. It's not wanting to let me cut that one for some reason. Come on. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Let's try to get that one. Let's see, where's that one? Where do I want to go? Let's see if I can get this one to go that way. Alright, let's try that. I don't know what is up with this wood marker, but dang. Close enough, I guess. That one's good. Good. I think I can just follow that one without the backhoe, honestly. So I'm going to move it over here. I'm going to set it right here because I'm done with it for today. Drop it that way. Perfect. Some of these will have to be topped before we can cut them. So I think my buddy's coming out tomorrow to do that. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. That's going to be it for today's video. But thank you for watching. And please like, comment, subscribe. And y'all take it easy, guys. I'm out.